Hey internet, so this is a code for a 50/30/20 calculator. It's very simple, so I'll just show you. You can find the code in the pinned comment. It's also on Github, which is in the description. Okay, so you just type in a number and it'll give you 50%, 30%, and 20% of it. So this is useful for financing. So you got 50% of your bill, so let's say $560. So you should be spending $280 on your bills on whatever. So that's your expenses. Then you got $168 for your personal use, and then your final 20%, $112, should be in your savings, whether that is either investment or whether it is in your compound interest account, etc. And you can just type in a different number if you want to make a different calculation. So 960, and there we go. So if you want to quit, just press Q and it will close the program. There we go, and it exits. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if this was helpful. This is a series of me just learning how to code and progressing. So follow along if you're watching in the future. Cool. There's not many right now, but in the future I'm sure there will be a lot of different projects that I make. Until next time. See ya.